Hey everybody! This week we're going to learn how to draw a landscape with a vanishing point. Now a landscape is any picture of the land. You're not going to have people in it or really much city or cars. It's mostly just going to be a picture of nature. So we're going to also learn about a horizon line. And a horizon line is the line in a picture that divides the land from the sky. So we're going to draw our horizon line first. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start on this side of my paper and I'm going to draw a line all the way across to the other side. My horizon line is a little bit above halfway. That's probably about where you want yours also. The next step is to draw a vanishing point. And that vanishing point is just going to be a little dot right here. Your vanishing point is going to be that point where all your road is going to go. Your road is going to look 3D if you draw your lines to this vanishing point. And vanish means to disappear, so it's going to look like our road disappears into the distance. So what you're going to do, if you want to use a ruler or a straight edge, you can do that. Otherwise, you can just start on that little dot you drew, and you're going to draw a line, a diagonal line, all the way to the bottom of your paper. So that line goes all the way off your paper. Then you're going to draw another line on this side that will come down at a diagonal and go off your paper over here. So it makes a triangle on your paper. Now we're just going to add our details of our landscape. So you can do a picture like me, or you can come up with your own kind of design of what you want to do. I'm going to draw some mountains like the example that you saw on the document. So I'm just going to draw some big triangles here. It's like a big zigzag. And I might draw some other ones that are kind of hiding behind. Some little, some big. There you go. So then I have my mountains. You are free to add details to those mountains. You can add some snow. You can add a sun in the sky. You can add a sunset if you like. You can add some rays. That's going to be what my background looks like. So now I'm going to move closer into my foreground. And that foreground is the part of your landscape that is going to be closest to you. This is the background. It's way in the back. This is called your middle ground, and this is your foreground. It is the part that is closest to you. Now, when you're doing a drawing like this, things are going to get smaller as they go back into the distance. So I'm going to draw some trees along the side of my road. So way back here, they're going to be small, but as I move closer to my foreground, they're going to get bigger. So if I want to draw trees way back here, I can draw little triangle trees if I want. Or if you want to do kind of the Christmas tree look, you can kind of do some zigzags down like that. Whatever you're comfortable with. And then the next one's going to be a little bit bigger. And the next one's going to be a little bit bigger. The one thing you want to make sure that you don't do is to draw it off of this line so that it looks like your tree is tipping over. A lot of students end up using this line to draw their objects that are on the side of the road. You don't want to do that because it looks like your tree's laying on the ground then. So you want to make sure that the bottom of your tree is parallel to your horizon line. So if I need to start with that first, I'm going to start with the bottom and then I'm going to go up and like that. It's going to get a little bit bigger. The closer I get to me, which is my foreground. Again, you can add whatever you want. If you want to do flowers, if you want to do a fence post, if you want to do trees, you can add whatever you like and then just add color and then you'll be all done.